that your Barbie, Madeline?
Yeah.
What do they do together?
Play.
Show us how the dog eats the food.
I'm doing it, Daddy.
What are those brown things?
This food for my daddy. Yeah.
Now what does the dog do?
Poop.
Is there two more in that?
No.
Push it again. Madeline, the dog just pooped. Is that gross?
Yeah.
So, are those brown things food or are they poop?
Poop.
Madeline, did Barbie's dog poop food or did it eat poop? Because it looks the same going in as it does coming out.
We put the poop in. We put these in, and then we put it down, and then it poops, and then the food poops out. Poops out. And then it poops, and then the food poops down, out. The food poops out. Poop out the food. I guess it would do it.
Are you using your imagination, Madeline?
I think so.